Welcome to PRECYKIDS TV! Like, share, and subscribe for more fun! Come on, let's go!
It was a peaceful morning on Old MacDonald's farm. Every animal was happy, and the old barn had protected them for many years. The pig loved the farm, but today he felt forgotten. His heart filled with anger.
Old MacDonald's had a farm.
Calm down, pig.
Without thinking, the angry pig ran straight toward the old barn. The old barn could not withstand the pow barn. Everyone, get out! Hurry! The pig finally understood that anger can cause great damage.
Where will we stay? I'm sorry.
Everyone makes mistakes. What matters is making things rings right. True friends solve problems together. Easy does it, my friends.
Old MacDonald's had a farm.
Great job, little one.
MacDonald's had a farm. Old MacDonald's had a farm.
Hard work and teamwork can repair even the biggest mistakes.
Old MacDonald's had a farm.
Thank you for being patient. The farm became peaceful once again.
Old MacDonald's had a farm.
Anger can break what we love, but kindness, patience, and teamwork can build it again. Always think before you act.
Did you like and enjoy this video? Yay! Don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe buttons. Thank you for watching. See you next time.